na batu bura kwithirite ngikwira umbere ni ati tuketha tukiara kenende mantu yege mwerekera iro siasa cha Meru chionekete nende chichi mbere ne twethera tukiwa Mount Kenya lakini tainende twethera tukene na maana tukinye ndene ya county ya Meru. Karibu sana mheshimiwa. Not work on a time on such a short notice and without much ado let's roll. One term, two term. No retrete ukiwa one term. Imuru wa Muyoku kana yake ama?
Wani ndaragia ja DMK. Temantu ja kiama teno kiama kira semenya kumbira nkari or anything. Na ndena right ya kwa DJ MCA wa Bogeta West na kuga murunga mojo wakwa. So jo muranga mojo wakwa te murunga te ntaragia on behalf of the party. Ndaragia ja DMK.
Na mheshimiwa, you represent people of Abogeta West. Na ibe dereba ikuthi ataira. Weta rugo utekwenda maendeleo wari on their behalf. Are you still now utekwari on behalf of the party? Uri on behalf of Antoba Abogeta West?
Onde kura unindikirite Antoba Abogeta mostly na araba kumbira ino bari. Nonto kinyani mingo nkuboria imbidire twenkiba consult over time. I have been going around talking to people. Na it's Antoba kubekara berira utumbokara nawe bakinya iri agenda yingi wibera tutam na wekwira wanaumia economically batena mbecha weta biashara gaiko ingo ira nyingi economy utembesi go security na nde wana Antoba ku abakumia na nde nako wendelea go participate na baraba ku mbrimba kiuga ibaba automatumia na go wendelea kubera ri passport ni passport na onindithĩtie social experiment ngekĩra gakobia na mask kathuta matatone. I've been doing this for the last maybe 2 months. Kathuta matatone ngatravel maybe kuma nkobonkeja town ngeta mawa ngeta nkira manda ndo batuta mketha ndeni nkangareni. So no mo te kanditi oni kisiasa anauga lazima mbali mberi kana nsukumi kwalia. Nimona kumbira na ndeo nire andarunga menya kura university anderi nkarunga me kana 2017 anderi nkarunga me Abogeta kana 2022 anderi nkarunga me. So ninde musiasa kebwakwa na ndina right ya kwe kwalia ne gutegera mantu ura jari na gutegera economy ure kali na kinyani ngo imbithiri twende anu comfortable over time about morongo ja Ruto particularly na ja thirikari na ja kumanenja go na ja utinda go in endless meetings tukira kwa twandike list cha development ndegwita Omambe devolution conference nda maundu no ntopandethera oranga bari gutandikwa ko no te no ba utinda State House kana utinda lobby tractor kai kambete no Omambe town is a small town size ya Nkubu lakini ure kirie ora mandu okaringe bakiro ira sire nyamwera on the beach amphitheater national government ko bakira na so many other development na Ruto jare arari no akuja ntukure aroncha amekire eterete ekuru muchamane jo ekuru ba Omambe kwari ne ekuru bangathite tent ne mbuga ekuru 2000 atiga abanenkera mbesa cha kunga support ikundi 50 million. How 50 million bejeta bale ekuru ba ikundi nateka ko no ba ambete gweta State House ikwari ba kugatu na ikundi bieto bi support biokerie abo banenkera 50 million na oyo ko thikira mbesa ire ingia kuita na ngukiri gwitwa no te kura ciare no Meru na karingirwe kura chionze na choka a promise mando ja mengi mono iromba kura no te barabara nya tije arieto but na ndia tutinda ge State House to muira cio na ciji na no waigweta no te ja ko atigwete inde bota State House twire nimbi nirikubo kwa na twekira rami
mwesha miaka 3 nithiri kuma kura chie kuringwa and my due the social experiment with it maybe it's for the last 2 months kana nya 3 months after 3 years iro ronere it should be one term
3 years turari ndwene yetu ntiumba kugwata ngugi nyingi uninde musiasa turari mantu na yetu ja county we have been having problems in the county as na thirikari ya Kawira na ndi kurare ya Kawira bairi Kawira mwari governor's residence yale Kawira onge State House Nairobi na ndi uninda ugamba mbendira ni Kawira ole ande obwe berando nanga bano omwe ya mutuma mbambia ndiri akawironge ori state house
kuno ari wiko na thina ya national government from the word go kana yeyire after weburekania
o issues ira wiko tukiariria tabia cia kawira no choru twethere na cio atalanja scale cia guchetha na the poor area cia kumobilize the poor kibairagia na but they always catch up with you no cio tabia thero ena cio the only difference kuthoro moni rinda gwikironge muguto they are the same
na tukielekea on the same scale yawe kwithira uria ukiwa uria aria yawe mtu kiumbe na kinya ukiarairia antu ba abogeta west in particular kiama kia baski na muromo yakyo and you are part of kiama kiu if anything you are very close to the party leaders kana nyato ngeria do you think kuna conflict ikaumira soon kiameni kiu kia bas now that no kwendete kia senate na bando no ukirithana na kiama
oni nti ukirithana na kiama no kiama akendi bainde
murunga moyoku meawaria anto ikuthukuma yes idm kia kwaria and idm kia ureko no ro bas
inkomenya u batina ndi murunga majwa basi ijori kunkurie imana
bas baba dirite bakiara ki including alhaji awete uni mearia ku ni ba ko bange baretie no ndimorera bandikite bange baire na ruo inya youth bararirie
ndari officials rekana na youth
alhaji sofa
ugante kwene bandikite kanyamwira ka 411 na ubugwa ntochio kamugambi manyara tho mugambi we suspended but kantochio no ntunwe the chairman ntochio inari
ntochio na kiama kia bas
ai kware ki manto ndibeti yetu ni other ya one time two time tewe one time are ne kevuti
atira umira openly wa one time
na ugere na matini opostete kichonge
so tiwenka we from the bus
no teninka kevuti kwarera ne kevuti te one time ate kuko te mona mechama nione ugenya to nenkerete ndp candidate karisio te mc on bus orunga mimbere north
na kama kia dp
na kama kia dp lakini mc ara kama kia bus te arunga mi mp da ari na dp to baba mona candidate opposition kevuti tochio
owe
oni na krankuira na severo wathasi in the party bale otije no ndukire officials baba ingi iba one time tho mbasi emiro aire thero eriki manto atutam kana ithirite igi tutam na ntegwetike kwena murunga mojongo igeto mikuga ndi areja DMK mbasi emiro ria twaritira muthia na kira itware thero no dirikana twithiristias twaugite twikire tutam to support mutuma na national government nambasi nande etauga ungi ko iketo mikuga ndi areja DMK
na ntochia
ya ntochio no tutogira tu separate mbasi embu eunio ithiritwe eri serious in one time na mbasi emiro no tutora na wauni unique circumstances aja one way basi ni support mutuma basi emiro ya watana na embu kuga one time kwa kaleta those conflicts so iketo mikuga oni jo imurunga manjo akwa ningwa ntikwenda kwithira ndi in conflict na mbasi emiro mbasi emiro irikire mando ja two time mbasi embu irike one time so mbasi is already divided nento bodura camp ire okethero ori divided between those two camps jamiro most ne ugere kiriari ino eri ire ngea embu yugwa ne eri kiri na nande to thige muchemene jwa ne last month jwa kama kia mbasi to ugire muntu atwa kwaragia ethe manto one time kana ja two time aragi ore muntu kiumbe nuntu kia mageto gitina eni tutathithie NDC twetekaniria ina aturi twinthe muntu aikwawe tugana ndiwe weta kwaria aragi ore DMK ari ore alaji we ntochio we kivuti na ndikia to minya yuthi bara ndetekaniria bora baraugire buju murunga majwa DMK jurare ojo akwa abara famaga ija uni barara area bakiari igeto ngukwira ntena issue na yuthi iwoni barara area no nto ndagwite murunga majwa ijo akwa chokea manake especially jo ambasi aja miru ija juba ena ju but oni jo akwa kuma mande imwanya na juju akiama kia ambasi ya miru inda joinere no to alinda joinere na bangi kivuti bale na bantocho
na mheshimiwa tukela kia makio kia basi kudirite kwena mathina kudirite kwena rangos don't you think rangos ika intensify nendo nto kiama ya kanende you see leadership ya maya bamabagwa iwanta mbangi bagwa tutam nokona ka basi yako kamaru rengi
tuge ingumenya tugetekaniria at the end of the day no mwanka tulingane hapa na pale oni na wakwaja DMK ndi kwira areni oni nte muntu ugaruka indimete manto ja over time na ingomenya ndo baba ketha nwigirwa antu baria nene kiamene na ara bari nwije we will drive everybody else no leo tukumba ufiti ke kabindi tuebere ukwelewa
so mheshimiwa boku ani ati kama kia bus at the end of the day kiketika ni riwantam
exactly nungo kwera inyaba ubaye nau ni ura bweta kurithia bwinde baba bakanaga bangi bakeja leta na ndi twinde injire ne uturi indi kweba kwera ntato cha mwito no ndimwito ne bai batu tuumirere rishabu kweba batigi mwito ne indi bakaumira eventually mande tutumba kumiraniria twinde no nto kajira iga chekega kuma kweba kauma mbere na bangi batiba ere ya mwito ne na ndi batu tumete mbere turaria manto alishabu kweba mwito ne bakwaria cha mwito but eventually bituje bato wata na aturi that is the direction ya kila mtu
in regards to that mheshimiwa nwithire kwi any officials baki amakiwithirite ukiara kiabo abera oniambu maira mapema bagukea baadaye
ale oni musimamo jora ndenge jo discuss na tuge balaji kana bakiraito nae barenge nkania nanto approach yao siasa ikoshonali Nujene aze wamezeeka kidogo balenda tutakaoras kidogo maybe it's too early angai euni approach yawe mantu but for us as young people mantu ya dhayu maybe tukakoshia sto akora but for now we must be who we are oni mteke time yakuthogania na oni karie konguthoganiria na mantu ya mumiro arejari nkona ri itwastragurira mono 2022 tweke amakia mbasi kwa iraraira mero niwe kama ni okay ali
yeah
itwafo twera ntu twe kama kekero as part of the Azimio coalition turambirio thuta ibali na nyuma
na you are part of that
I was part of it
when any regrets
na twastragurira mono I don't regret no ndo ndaronga mia principle basically indene ruto atibu inyange support inyari aruto etari ira basasi ruto anto nandi babarejere kuona nato abera bare gothikira thaiji so ugatare ugato chwaga kura thayu
yeah
nandi only I have no regrets for that kiamene kiu but nandi tuga ketheri twari na bochinda kura mono ukabisha na mwananchi tulingetha twe siasa ene cia Kenya kwanza would have been easier for us tengetumira mbesa nyingi no ntwirwe mbone rure weke wave ire antu ba ni ogakarira wave you win easily it took at all on us mono especially financially go campaign kana go swim against the wave
yeah
it's very difficult so those were lessons learned ninda ugire hukumau the people are right oigo bakwere iba tu okeja oboneria otherwise
na mheshimiwa in case the worst comes to the worst kiama kia basi kithire kikiwa abatwe murunga moyeto kaninya maybe boda ya karuto au change at the last minute na bagwe bakethira bakeri men ki two term kuna possibility ya wewe thira change kia kiama cause burato komia ni ati mukiamo bas ndokia kwa ile kiama ya DCP Amiru it's evident i one term do you think ukethira change kia kiama kirauri ndene ya kidai
for now ndi mbasine but mbuga mbas ni go travel ija gataru ka gukiria somewhere no menyo gukiro tio karamba sine kaumaro geta ungi so gukeja tuika mbasi au ne kinyeria safari ekwa kanka umandu tendege ne mbete ora mbete betete and utikaramba sine no bugo kinyaro gwitete so it can depend na circumstance at that time biama bila kile united opposition be there are so many of them
yeah.
they are all available na get Canadian so many other candidates kuna ndiuga oni siasa ite static Ruto we president ararunga makiama kimo in the same election akira ito murungi Moi Kibaki maybe no tukwira the kanune for a long time but our most of the people we are working around and patura go change parties na time no the embassy kedro enter coalition other parties na litora coalition de kedro turunga mia na a different coalition so ntumba stick tumbasi nkwera ndio ni alinga akwira mbasi ne no mbasi enkinya alengo etete mpume nduta gitaru
na gitaru ke kinyodu tendege
wakinya leo gwetete ogeta ungi mwana siasa tumenya mbuga kiama ija kabutia ukiria kithaka watora kithaka sendi ire ngi ugeka kabuti ndio ugeta suit na ro wite ono bia mabika linde ne Kenya
sure na mwesh no ithirite ukitheta kinya kana kugotima nto thirikari ya rais Ruto ikwithire kibuthakia but nakwenda kureta Meru City yana kwenda kwa yana Meru yithire kia ya city after Eldoret which is the most recent. Does it mean nukurwa na maendeleo yara kwenda kureta ntere gwa kureta but yara kwenda kureta
ato kwa irwa buru muthenya dio ari kibiri ndio atiri ugo kauma geta Eldoret kana Nakuru kana Kisumu nikagwa we city you can feel it, you don't need to be promised, you know these people can manage waste, this town is clean tojera tunda tukirengania estate na no twekirami, all this has happened. So only I think we need to antoa that we lobeaga to name just a city i projects cha aria tugakinya wigwa enyewe Meru City itwekiro nduo carriage yagikomene gwitia ora na kwina Mamonka junction ire roire ituchoke to fix the sewage problem. Sewage problem sewage era nyange na thina no to contractor ore ayetire ari wa mbeca cionthe na ngoge atirikitie so tutinda kuro contractor achoka ugo kare wangu ge end of inya kuthiria ri no choke because imenyete ni problem eyo na ndi tojura ketha ge kujura tugaita problem ire ara the current sewage ya twebera twana itugwita city. Number 2 indene story ndampu site yetu nara nkongeri nyako citizen about the environment ore ine kuna problem nayo itombe to fix problem ya waste management. Actually uteta undene Kenya kumenya manage waste gutega story ya ore how Americans view this country ya Kenya ndona three things they complain about in a video on social media. One is traffic, potholes, garbage. What is it in Kenya? In a waste processing factory jara area Addis Ababa for example but tu irandi few to tomira gweta kuteja mate in a certain area no problem tu ni kunda mpunara muitone na muitone nuje to batiko that tujo protector na to agitaja u itokalende to thithia strategic plan kubira bibabu wati othithia ukategera ke abani area sensitive act kwe precursors cha kwa city we have including not met population. Including population to nayo we don't. So can we meet the precursors of the city status to the president we want to be a city? But in order to be a city we need 1 2 3 4 5 na ndio tokearagia tole arira to fix bo county assembly MCA bate ukurukira to barabara to tiri na nyuma na to itaira to barabara cia to iko fixed. Level 5 will diria kwa pungire to level 6 or whatever.
It's in the progress.
It's in the progress. Then we can talk about the city. Otherwise, we are so close to election that you take to terero. That you will be promised heaven. Na mtoro promise after menyo wata a second term, you never hear from him again. So, ikyonkugatiri, let us have a plan.
Nari mheshimiwa, the president akari on topo, don't you think nako minto bibi kuendeka? Apart from maybe kintu ya population of atireta anto. So dere hadi story city indone rinyo ina inya moto because I was there in state house. Inyo no na this is impossible. Ikiato minte kwenda toka atheria oni mide muntu wiji uthoma the unspoken speech. Na nambere rebel against it. Auga there are so many things we need to maybe atenda kurongwa.
Ngwetheke maybe atenda kurongwa ya kinyamwe bindia rongwe. So ambere ku there are so many things we need to do. Meru ekiuga kinyanga gweta kwa wanda sete no maybe na thomete abani area sensitive ankuga itoko nindi sete but ito batiko tuna plan ya gukinyariko au na ndenda ugo nkorwa maendeleo no either way kinya waku nike uri kaumira ukeja kwithira otini mwa sete no ndomando jo tu ya meet Thomas Citizen Urban Areas Act. It's so simple. It's written section 2. John the Jareu. Kenana ndi tomba thivia mando jau tomba ukinya kwa city state no to kolega Meru ya city. But kinya ugweri uge kwa Meru uge kalida ai wero city uri kinya to ligare mbio kwiro. So we need to twena nyamwere plan ya city tumenyere mistia ni na ire. We do the basic thing. Can we even name streets? Simple things. Ile nyite kwenda budget ya president. ito athithirie team ya kuthithagia ko Rwanda kuona our heroes. We have so many heroes here in Meru. Can we name the streets? We have a problem when you to mbagwekira ubaja kana inya taxi company no to streets are not named in these estates na rangu gwega peak yomba ya kondro panto yomba o capture. For example, kabarabara kaga tonyete akwenu kabati kuthoka na rieto. Bypass ile bati kuthoka kirinya signboard ya Meru Eastern bypass or whatever. Such that all these are picked by Google tukamenya we are headed there. I want you to go to Eldoret. Ukakinya no menya this one should be a city. Duo karenji chiakiro kathita to bati kuthoka na bridge. Njaga kwa something ego signify a city. Actually ke plan ya waka duo karenji. The biggest budget yabati gwetage kwaka bridge ya kathita. Tukaka bridge very iconic. Ego welcome. Watonya bridge uko na yo in Meru. Something iconic. I think okay to kateka Tanzania ura bakite bridge ra bakite Mwanza. Kire one of the islands ya kutonya Lake Victoria. One this is a very nice bridge. This is something that has been thought out and executed very well. Yani kuina something egutoma wigwa Meru is a bridge. Otegara ja Sydney aba bridge. A Sydney Australia. It attracts more than 2 million visitors every year. Bejeta bridge ne.
Mweshu, you are very ambitious.
I am. Na ngweteke uni ambition to particular instead of talking, we should have a plan. Why do we want to go? Do we even have the plan? Ogotegera Urban Areas and Cities Act. Nego kwera what you need to do. We have not even called the municipal board. Neither so itokare ninde to municipal board. We draw up the strategic plan and all these things.
Mwesh, you'll agree with me that manto yani manto yakubwithwa mpala. For example, maybe the president now amba kuthwania onto akwithire Meru City area wa umutindwa ye inenu yo mwanka kinyinya na ara junction ye nyakithiri mwanka kariene. Don't you think webo kebwa Meru is the next city? Maybe it might take even 20 years, lakini it's the next. Kenda maybe the plans you chiambiriria. You see, at Edrita kia na timelines that Meru ka city in the next 2 weeks, in the next 1 month, the next 1 year. Don't you think it's good? Now we're na niontu nende pokeda bokia ya thought of.
Inonto bomba kwa very well thought of. Inde tetu yoro itoringia nikura Meru neteta kwa edwa city. No, itoringia nikura nonto kwe projects ikothithwa cio tokinyio. It's a journey to 1,000 to a long place that 1,000 miles so bati kwambiria simple steps. Ito ambiria kuona bypass ya kwa bypass mba kwa 2 years. It will take time. Ito ambiria kwa bypass uno ntoni kwenda some bridges. Ni kwenda some areas santo pa compensate na araba kire barabara ene na nyumba chiomoro. Ni kwenda a lot of things to be done. Ja compensation akio carry billions of money. So it means itoko nindi to amba karande to the strategic plan, and I will be happy to participate in such. Tugoro tukwambe atokodithia anto ambiro na ndi Meru City 2 term. What is that? Itukarendi tone ituitite atia. City jiri ni kwenda airport. President arauga agatwa airport atwa presidential
state laws. Actually, we're coming to that.
And all these ones, in fact, as to bati weka in place to many projects ni kodithwe batu in a plan. Ni umwa kubanga okwe kugaingo aka, but you are running around all the farm. Inyo tekuwa na site iro aka nimbi, you are just saying engaka. Na ndi uwa attract mwale na akogore nonto no kumura ngaka. Ninyo tambiria musingi utebatirira bukarara ome. And this is the same thing. Tokuererwa da itoringe kura nonto toka city. We know toka city, but now can you bring us to the table to area? I'm going these projects, they are geared towards the city. Do you even have a plan about it? Mantuja mwije history kwa arerua. Tutaka lande to the strategic plan for this thing, well thought out, consultants bakareretwe, to the public participation. Nirong kuga atiri kuna primary needs cha public ya Kenya. Temero wake, this economy is so bad. Anto ato karai mana to kiara area manto asete. Chanto ba ukua. Ntije sete they enjoy them as spirits. Kana imbito kwa area anto ba ukuja. I don't know. Thai NHIF was working. Ba amon ya replace nae na sha. Sha ite okitenya for high school student ora NHIF ya kita for. Ora litoba aja gua ba to maira the. Ya recovery nje dongi mono even for student. Nere na cover very good for pregnant women. The cover was so good even for private hospitals. Shano kuigwerira mostly in public hospitals. No, we have a problem mostly in public hospitals. Other than the level 5s, na force to some extent. Most of these others kuthwa kuna scarcity and and all these things na kuthwa tutung'aninya personnel. Kwa withera mtu mostly inya akajua kinya ogo imana okajua thai, the chances that you go to a public hospital are very low. People end up to private hospital. But inde kuunjeria terefinias kitasha netio guteithia in the private hospital. It's something geared to public hospitals. Number 2, SHA ete kuomba mostly kurea eriro mostly ni gutetheria preventative ku prevent anto kwajua. But ukethera intobira anto bathithairua kurigiria mirimo eti ukitafo. For example, colon cancer ete support yothitherua tawa endoscopy ewe kumulikwa na uyo whatever ukamulikwa otegerwa utirirwa isha baturirwa sha ne kurigiria mirimo. Breast cancer ima mammogram uthithairua na yugeta gutegagwa. Kuna cancer ingi ciothirwa pap smear itirirwa na nduri mbira sha irirungamira primary health care atia kwa tuika oni ntiomba kuthithio preventative care nayo. For example, a simple pap smear for women kurigiria cervical cancer. Cervical cancer is very treatable and detected mapema, but she ete kurira. What is so preventative about SHA? NHIF was doing these things. So one of the problems Ruto are created in this country, it could replace intobiko work and intobitio work.
Sure. Mwesh, betigira tu idretu kino wakani. Na since you koidro you mention you and taking into account that no are in student leader back in campus, tukwende yuko mantu yegie model, ya mantu yegie fees. But still, it begs the question. Mwesh no na mantu ya yonde no kirioro ya ndo ya onto, wedri nyoke ara kebubu ya uru. Ato diretu kino waka, tukwedra tuicho kaira nyumeka ita katikura na roariru na kinya mantu yegie mweshmiwa kwedra kiran for the senator's position come 2027. Ato no kia nini?
Kambuni yetu ya Rhino Mabati egwethete maguriko gwithie kugwithia kiri mabati jonthe. Kenero ofa yetu special ya factory kiri mabati jonthe ja tile profile, za Germania tile, Jamii tile, Espana tile, Jamis tile na Roman Jamil tile gauge 28 made. Ara magurija gwete kuma magana jana na mirongo ire mwanka magana mugwanja ja 45 wa kilomita, gauge 30 made kuma 680 na ndeni 625 for meter na gauge 30 glossy kuma 575 na ndeni 499 nake. Okenda beshe cia kuciurire guru ja toye murangi turiongire na arua ukenere offers cietu nawe mumeru akiuga murojo na inchoni ukuruva mwato aja Rhino Mabati twithirite tugikuthondekera mabati kwa miaka nande na tutakuringa nthi. Turiongire industry yetu ya Rhino Mabati irere kithoka njire na Meru gwita Ruire kana turingire thimu namba 0729 628199 kana 0740 229609 weka order yaku. Ameru ndewerere mbere ng'ombe gekaragwa. Rhino Mabati, mabati jetu tukarie bietu. Rhino Mabati, do it best on top.
Mimi nasema ugali ya Lea haikuwangi complicated. Ukienda kwa duka tu, ukienda kwa super tu, kwa afya bora ya jamii ungapoa ni Lea tu.
Guys, mwenzeni wait.
Bei ya Lea Premium, si complicated. Kupika Lea Premium, si complicated. Unabai, unapika, unashiba. Lea Premium.
Lea Premium Flour, nurturing the world. Available in a store near you.
ntumirikire amemba bonthe ba yetu sako ni bubanganite micemano ya o mwaka yoritani mweri juju kuma ntariki 6 mwanka ntariki 15 micemano ejega karekoju Jumatatu ntariki 6 ni Kionyo Catholic Church, Jumaine ntariki 7 ni Kinoro Branch, Jumatano ntariki 8 ni Kigarine Market, Aramisi ntariki 9 ni kambi ya Chibu ya Kithirone, Jumaine ntariki 14 ni kambi ya Chibu ya Kiangwa na Jumatano ntariki 15 ni Robiri Market. Ugakurukirwa ni antu bonte tonkuruki ringa thimo kurukira 0724 114 444 kana 0111 038 000. Yetu Sacco, your success, our pride.
Keke, kabeja na kamutu wake?
Kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice. Siri ni mutujo nice extra premium.
Mutindi nyenye na kamusere.
Inyaju tuenaju juambishori kuma nice rice millers mwea.
Mogori wa kinyandu kene eti ya motujwa nice extra premium. Nkima ya motujwa nice extra premium eja nampwe ena mushamujo mudhongi na nikweta gogwe na nje ku nutrients na shio shabatisha nice extra ngano itio mainya shiarara ne imboro na imure mutheri motu tujonge ne nice extra premium.
Mom, hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni nice.
Watu ikawe na kioria yende kithia kana no kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimu namba 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 197.
Ji nice na nice extra premium.
This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
What's it? Iko on. Kila game ina matter. Reconnect now. Dial *423#.
Jumbo. Welcome to Kisimani Eco Resort and Spa. Looking for the perfect holiday with your family, loved ones, or simply a peaceful solo retreat? At Kisimani Eco Resort and Spa, we combine luxury with learning, fun, and unforgettable experiences. Relax and learn how to turn your small idle land into a source of wealth. Modern beekeeping, chicken and duck farming, organic vegetable and fruit farming, dairy and pig farming, waste to wealth training with BSF technology. Call now and take advantage of our limited pre-Christmas highly discounted holiday packages designed to give you more value at lowest price. We also offer executive accommodation, modern conference rooms and team building grounds ideal for family meetings, parties, end-of-year strategy meetings and much more. Visit us at Mailinane, 12 kilometers before Isiolo town along Meru Isiolo Highway. Call 0742 205 295 or 0733-570-530 or email us at resortisiolo@gmail.com. Website www.kisimaniresort.com. Book today and enjoy big pre-Christmas discounts.
Karibu koroka. Karibuni chai mama.
Aruvi no kanyo chai? Kinya uni ntenywa kweka mochama yuto matukangita ngacherewa.
Mwana nyama kwanywa chai baba rambwembe. Karibu. Neria rebine ro ngete chai na leo. Mama eria ongora ndukene. Auge eria teria. Eria. Mwaro kwa. Eria ne lisha turugero dai. Lisha? Orai. Ndabu. Kunda kalia ka.
Naoni.
Kinyago no kwenda? Niyogo. Ka.
Ni tamu.
Chai ko kodongi mpongera kangi.
Kuma naiba? Eria teria. Eria ne lisha.
Karibu kianja ina maua keze keni Weru TV na Weru FM kufuata na motujole ya premium umakiri kampuni ya The New Palea Millers.
Haikuwangi complicated.
Avenue pale ya Mila. Ujite kubora buru na mutujua nkima jolea na kinyido nkano jolea. Watanira na njuri ya Wero TV na Wero FM. Itongeretu ni Empress Rita, Mwende H the Pilot, Martin Kishungi Ondula, Munene Kagwe, DJ Vil na Ken Mutuma. Kokako kundia mwago. Na tutigere okwana urei na onyiriburu. Nekire ndio ngantu kwemwe ndio mosieji tariki 11 ya gutirimana ogwe mukario kyanja ina maua ugakorokirwa ugashigwa na aturi ukende gukorokirwa Leia Premium Nurturing the World.
Unapika unashiba Leia Premium.
Right, and we don't talk with the theater and better quarter and about Twiki Mubango, yo garo ya siasa. Na mwesh tuwecho kera ninde, Meru kwedire Kaya City kuna a lot of factors, including anokuwetete, and Kenny Kande, kuna proposal ya kwedira kuna state lodge, Meru, airstrip, na kinya ontoche dara golf. Imbije noche dara golf, nyedira wakana. Don't you think as much as kwe siasa kwedire kita mbakuwa na kureana na Mirandie, if Meru has to become a city, any manto yabatere anto baetikiri?
Manto very necessary. For Meru kwa city, manto very necessary to the return golf course. Na intobi bikwira. But nande the problem iri jira gotuka muito jo agitwa. Na ntina thina ni na muito jo gitwa personal ya DMK na bakugaba agita kithoka actually temete there no. Section you. Nonga problem gwatukaba kwenda jo kia iriera yonde. And disrupt movement the elephants no to know either elephant corridor. Wetete anchiro you with a chill in that swamp. Eat an area around this corridor. Gatonya Mount Kenya forest ke so gatu ke ni interfere na the elephant corridor is a problem. But na enda uga atiri otira tugeta ugita muito jorea ga kwenda up court. Green belt movement. Umenya kwe NGO ira formero haraka ya area residents. Yegweta friends of Roy Mend Forest. Ku fight it. Kuna tutegereje utambesa igwatuika te porojo irio. Cha kuthithia these projects. Nondo kia mbere golf course ne mwake thirikari ndene Kenya. Ire Kakamega. Nenyo no it's a rundown process ibuja mostly chena private entities.
Yes.
Itochwere uratumba about these projects. One, isioro gwita Meru gutere especially njire kuma roire gucoka ekathithwa kugwata junction ya kwatuika barabara ya Rikapetendi ya Karajere ngi isioro airport te kuraja no to thithirwe runway ya isioro airport runway niyo ithina ni short ikongerwa ke maybe 2 kilometers it's enough to land big planes to solve problem. Area ruo mono very ideal for planes taking off and landing. Number 2 to inamunda jwa ya strip ya gaito. Just 30 minutes drive from the town. Most of these airports no to Meru geta ekora Phineas 100 years on no watu tetho atorea from now. But when Meru town iketho yakurete yumarete outside mono itete ou. So together atu kinya airport. A few years back 1980s na Embakasi na Islando na gutari nyanyomba na airport yeri kuraja Jomo Kenyatta International Airport na thai nyomba kairetere gya kako cia kinya kwinayo kwa tukena miraga itu tukaka ya stripirere gakwo tukunyia conflict tukwijite kwa attract na tuteta mbeca ifato mbeca video. That's one way ya avoid conflict area ya kana politics you what you on development you tete on development passe cha protect meet. The people come with different reasons. No kulikana kinya munya engirwe gwaka golf course nyamuira na aretete gwaka showground. Nendete miaka inyawe. Yamuretera problem inene mono cia mukostere in elections. And I don't think Mutuma would want to go into conflict with the public at this point. So then state lodge. ASK no eja ne munda gwaka state lodge. Nonto outside the forest Agricultural Society of Kenya through Ministry of Nyamura ni a lot of land yomba gutomera kukugita sa few acres igaka state launch na keni kila nara wana farmers bechemania ikatuika ipake ya muchamane president yero people can be able to walk in through there becomes and I also have one from the municipality board je kanyo niyo yorekeria riryo ngo of course nayo they will have to think about how they can find land about it na investors and all that kenda mbese kutuika irio nundu ningona ja golf course iporojo nuntera mostly in
private entity
atobati ko identify nyamunda arajuri kinya president akuga now set aside 2 billion itugore ni munda tutega mtumbo twenderi nya 100 acres somewhere tukomba around that tukomba set up the golf course without this conflict
mwesh nukuria gitekia senator research ilionania ndani ya mbunge account ya Meru around 30% of the MCAs iboba choka. Could you be maybe wena kaukua so ni escape boat otumira?
Ndikwenda kwariria nteto ciakwa na cia senator nundi nguona campaign na election iri mbali. Ndikwenda kwariria yumo nkwenda twariria issues ikoni Kenya na Meru but MCA unikarunga MCA aboge tanga choka rukiri.
How sure?
Only very sure. Nimbijura nkarana ndo bakwa nimbije mathabu ja kura cia boge tori iringagwa. Imbije kura cia boge tori iringagwa ni nkareti ore iringagwa. Ntenda kwera boriti ora kura iringagwa. Nuje voting patterns every area voting pattern chiayo. Nkabanga ochoka and still win that. But uni ndathomere political science university. Notiri engimbumba guitango iketha thomete economics no mpumenya ngeta World Bank. For me I thrive in politics. Nenyo kethro ore mwarimu nwenda go promote oiti ogitagia monko wa principal. Otumba mbole negetomi kwenda kwebera kwa mwarimu class 1 beta goitana for beta secondary goitana no mbuga mpa deputy then by principal. That is a career trajectory. Apo geta wesa have won twice. Na ndongerere kura ndaborere kura ira ndara cia 2017 kithuro ria mbere ndathuria 3900 2022 ndara kura 6023 apo popularity yakwa ingire na Kenya te ndara kiama ke coalition inete kwenda gunda have taken a lot of votes more than 10000 nonto nguge kwa ni kuoneka so gukatuika i manto ja ngatu matukite ground yanga that does not apply to me ango thogania kwina career trajectory kwa ya siasa no ndote na career ingi oranko banga by now I should do this na by the time munda kinya miaka 60 I should retire from politics and toba bethe batu baeronga maite watu kama mwalimu retire at 60 daktari everybody ne kizo as politicians to nganganira ite na miaka 80
exactly
so I think career trajectory kwa ni 60 plus 60 years bidonde ngothithia jana kwenda uthithiria public ngomba kwa achieve thayu ndi na inya kuma iko no kanina ko enjoy twinto twako turankethwa ndi na tu at that point na kumenyerana bakwa na araba kethwa bali so so tumbo mbole yake to ndebati utura ndi MCA
exactly
not a challenge kuona ntumbo wavakamu wherever I want to vie and that is not important at this point
sure Namosh Kiri what's your take about abunge ba Meru at the moment the MPs
nandi nujipane elected ndindas chao ni ntego nda kubariria
ni ate oko no ritbo bongwe
muntu agaciariria awe
uwe twari uwe ya DMK kyogora TMC wa Boget West ni ate oko no ritbo bongwe
nani ritbo bongwe in terms of what uga muntu atena CDF wa go implement aina CDF wa go implement my problem na bo maybe ni rabati mbago question the president kinya kumira abaruma au gaiba ko obtain mbecha neamba na ibatari aba komukatha nangira me I can't do it mutuma okira dai aturuma to MCs I will be the first person to talk so tegira na ngo ya nya borumu abokero ibuite
kinoki
I don't know
do you think they are not independent?
I don't know minte kwenda oba discuss no ndo antu baba thurite I don't know minte kwenda kwariria story at all
the governor
nde kwenda omeariria to kwenda otigira antu banjanji nte kwenda kwa prefect of everybody
okay
so it's up to the people to see how their MPs are handling their job and na bila baketho abande derivate maybe bali kwa bali kwena president kenda bombo deriva development it's okay 2027 the baka makero ne voters pero sasa bogire bora kwena imbi bwa toletere
fair enough Mheshimiwa the governor who is, I guess, Mochorioku. Ntekomea governor mutuma mshui Mochorioku.
Yes.
I might not be 100% sure, lakini nonkwere 50% Mochorioku. Governor Nedrete akiwa not once, not twice, tia that I think almost more all the time, ariwe 2 term. Owe Mochorioku na kuwa 2 term. Bando akaria governor, or rather Ochorebo enu buretira buri Ochorea, but politically you're not friends kanane ate ufuongwa. Na wirendo weta michemani ona ya governor, for example, yete kokua Bogeta West. Akwirimbe oku aro ama awa 2 term. Okamuirari 1 term.
Oni ni governor, for example, ngathani nyiria governor ari no munene buru. Oni kwariria manzo jaraja relevant at that meeting, manto a 1 term tokale michemani onera to ipiwari to kwangiri. But yara munene ari no ntonwe munene kibatu twinde ntumba gwita kwaria njende 1 term or anything. But inande it's important for public yemenye na arandi. Pona nte gukiria biara biri bakerwa mtu wi katikiria njende. So ngavana no eja wondine kamweshimewe ndira wondine kwa nkamwariria no ntunambe gumpempa gwitira ntu bakwa ngugi. But that is up to where it goes.
What about talking ita siasa whereby now no wari no kamwira ari tutikuo. Okay, you convince the governor onto politically, I presume no kurakurikire in terms of siasa. Will you maybe think of kokarande no mwira munene wakwa twetanjire eto thiomba utethia
ngwite kinyo akona ground kamwira kethero nyoa ketho imto consumer data information na research te woni akinkethero ankemwira ground mono the public tendi mk you control mutuma. So I want to believe that he is someone who will see what the people want na arabari. Nengwete kia mostly oni understand ile anto ndabona bakari anto ibadhiraniria ruto abakiri kure we president badhirenia na bakiro IBP indege ikweje igakoroka bategere igeta bokeya babaringa vipindi au babokerire byara baburumye birabyo burumye bakana batena ala tuli buru na na utorauganza to cia tutam the people are not there no you man badhirenia jo buru kulingana na understand it for the time I've been studying the people. Na it's an uphill task for anybody in 2027 kuja uchowaku. So for now no tugatwari development na icho tokarairia ngavana na nkamu support assembly completely ningwete kikinyo consume information na ina devices bawe bakamu device according iri ure akara but na then wije muntu akaudia monkerekerete kakerekawe.
Yeah, that's true.
That's true. Yeah. But only as far as ma ko support mutuma I fully support him na nkendero mu support county assembly na komu respect jangava no kwanu je nyanya ito conflict nyanke thande mu chama nione nteta kwariria njena cia no kariria cia oni nkariria cia kwa rere ateo gozo temba ura nkingwe temba kuroka moto tema
na mheshimiwa in very few ones tukirikia how is your relationship with Mwendethile, the leader of minority in the assembly na MCA wakithie onto nyawe aikiamene kyo bas inyawe na kurietikia senator Ochorebo enu atabokarita ai
umenya tuti issues na mwenda ginyoko na supporters betu mimbi bage attack kana bairumana mitandaone izi na chiao mwenda no minority leader onde minority whip in terms of seniority he is senior than me but in terms of experience I'm senior than him. No Antonio at least in service to assembly.
Yes.
So but it was tole friends na ito aragia na mwenda tumete mbadi no by the if people don't know this. Mwenda was one of the people who campaigned for me in the university. Mwenda ban support university of Nairobi. Nyako chairman yoson. Tatu amenyanira mwenda then dirikali nekera ito eja ward admin. Na ito itango ga at that point mwaka getocho eteke MCA. Kwa huu na anti issues na mwenda at all na muntu na ndi kwariria nto oro kombo bariria
na maybe kaita kakinyo mombo kinyo kirongo
bakothikire maybe I don't know so irongo kurana ni nyoto no twitana na mwenda kana to conflict yaga yeah man I believe no to most of constituency yetu tu very mostly young people maybe to komba kwaraniria later iketo ngokora nte kwenda mono kondo na manto jakura because teatro ya kuena shio so but for now nuje mtu akana mwanka aringe ndebe na bwana na father mon which siasa zegetika senator mono tendo tundo ni line up ingavana uri kubu ino women rep na ino ntobo chwaga kura za team mostly kura chia gitekia women rep na senator mostly gitekia wave na line up rabo kwa mbodhithia kiongo kuna ntipo thani mono na gukaraja gango thithia siasa nyingi mono cia senator that's why for the people know what I want iu tukandirwa at the coalition building time so but for now itwaririe manto jira ne to mikire antu number 2 kinyane zingo criticize what is happening ntu criticize kiendete gitwa ikende gitwa the right way na kwithwa kwina another voice ikwariria ome tukakaramo tukiuga kwa munya tukiuro tutwira tukuga itukwenda city but this is what we need to do mtu akwa maybe one DMK yakwa liko make sense tukalende twandike strategic plan yore in 10 years meru ka city imbi tubati othithia tukambiria na baby steps ya so but then when you are together tukiaragio omwe twitite omwe inyabukithira butemenya so oninda wankinya kando maybe ngatega ere imbi kuthithwa ate imbi ikuendelea on the side mwananchi na kumia na imbi tumi maneti o circulate no ntontomba chia president haito eja thoko na utwakira thoko na nibira antu tuge tu tamga koramo na utwakira thoko but contractor ariuma Nairobi simiti ariuma Nairobi shuma ariuma Nairobi tuje no go supply utembe siga security ikonie thoko eu atokera membi vijana bakande kwa site baka na mbecha bakare wa meshara but mbesiri batikwe security ntije thatokera muntu simiti umagara nduke ne ku kendie simiti thoko na ndene rewo ni okende ile simiti but we need to support business you basic omba security around the economy yetu tutulabo kwakirwa thoko yakaraja structure ejite area mugongo ikarekirwa thoko na bukero bikuruke ni ndene that's not what we are supporting waka thoko if you can be able to buy cement from Meru shops basi uni security na economy ka felt na basi komba move around
Yeah. Thank you very much, Mosh, and Erwa the Chetu Kudira, but hopefully next time nende ukethira we open enough kwa riria mantu yegie bide ku kiretikia Senate na probably between Erwa and next week together tu kwa nende maybe murunga moyo kiama in terms of one term two term inyaro kunyinko na
mantu atu term yake amake ambazo rampomba kuira antu tomba thithia NDC by February 2026 next year au NDC almost ni murunga moyo kiama joka umira right now ne after by election ni November 27 then to December nuji ipati time and what have you then mostly mbasi nkone gasema ne kulinga nombika gwa nene bakiaria every time February iro toka ugai mostly murunga mojo kiama ora kiama gitite but na ndike ama menya ketana in conflict na oni mitajipanga.
Thank you very much Mosh na gara nurakira rangi ogo
Nora ikenda bona boga wanto indi giondeni mono ke kaita.
Thank you very much Mheshimiwa Mutageri DMK Kiogra MC wa Bogeta West Okoniende at the state of politics in Meru na Kenya the country at large na kuinsist muramoyokie no iredirate akiwa iwantam. Thank you very much Mheshimiwa Ntupakona Kanya kwa such a short notice. We really appreciate. Nyuma kaita kategori yatu kada tuchema na Kenya no ntupande to chawero daidatu.